the city and the country.
Dr. Meghalayapost.News, Information and Public Relations Minister, yesterday inaugurated a new digital news portal, Meghalayapost.News at I&Pr. During her address, Dr. Meghalayapost.News congratulated senior journalists from Ribhoi district, Cornelius Lalu, and his team for their efforts in launching the news portal. The launch of this news portal marks the fulfillment of a long-held dream by the journalists of Ribhoi district.
Dengan kemen sekian maksudnya kajing beli ni ketika Meghalayapost.News kalau bagian air kita kajing penting sampai pak kajing tip kau punya omdesi ku magi lagi sosial media anta PD lalu play kita ni news ibun dan fix news dan kalian kajing om tak min air di kajing sekri dan mentaban ban air kita kajing tip kau punya kalau hak ekor kerja kalau hak development lah kalian hak politics lah kalian hak economics hak hidup tu kita
journalism ethics aka the thin line, the unity was looking at between what is true and what is not true. I wish you the very best. Namaskar sedang pressure you people. Insyaallah, sekalian ni sekarang, mereka remember the experience of begun in all these years. That I&Pr kata authority. Okay, speak the truth and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Saint Rajawai held a